Hello, students. This is Mr. Goodwin. I hope you guys are having a great day today. It's August the 6th, 2015. We'll be working with graphs and interpreting data. Objectives of the day: you need to stop and jot. You can press pause on your screen as you need to. Students will be able to create a bar and line graph to analyze a set of data. So on your first line, you should have August 6, 2015. The second line can follow with the objectives. You should be on your right-hand side of your notebook. Students, right now, make sure you're on the right-hand side. That means you're on the back page of that page of your notebook. And your objective is written as it is stated, as I have stated before. You can press pause and write this objective down. Okay, let's go on. Graphs are a way to quickly and visually display information or data. There are three. Excuse me, I'm going to enlarge this for us. Oh, wow. Awesome. There are three major types of graphs: line, bar, and pie graphs. First, you need to write this down as well. And I'm sorry, let's go back one. I want you to write graphs on the line following your objective. And graphs are a way to quickly and visually display information or data. I want you to write that on your notebook. And my mistake, students, to be rushing through the PowerPoint. Once you get all the key points today. And secondly, there are three major types of graphs: line, bar, and pie. Now today we'll only be working with line and bar graphs. Later on, maybe we'll have some time to work in pie graphs, but today's main objective comes from line and bar graphs. You can hit pause on your mouse right now. I'll just go to the middle of the screen and click down. And you'll see where you can go on and stop the video immediately where it's at. Okay, Mr. Goodwin is going on. Line graph. Make sure you have this down. So I want you for number one, I want you to put line graph. You put a dash for a definition. And line graphs summarize, I hope you're writing this down, students, how two pieces of information are related and how they vary depending on one another. I'm looking at this line graph, and first I noticed that it has John weight at kilograms. And then on the what we call the vertical line at the x-axis, the horizontal line, Mr. Goodwin made that mistake. The horizontal line, you have 1991, 1992, 1993, 1994, and 1995. This is the horizontal line. Students, I want you to put a note down for this. Your horizontal line will always be the x-axis. So if I'm writing this down, Mr. Goodwin is writing this down. I'm going to put horizontal equals x-axis. And my vertical, and one way I remember vertical and horizontal, remember the horizon? Horizon goes down and it's kind of like the sun is going into its horizon. It goes straight across. And vertical, and they ask you what your vertical is. I played basketball in school. They asked me what my vertical was. I gave them a certain centimeter. I'm sorry, not centimeter, but inch that I rose from the ground. So I always thought, okay, I jump up and down for a vertical to measure my vertical. And my vertical, And this problem would have been start at 66 and it would max out at 76. These are only key factors in your graph. Okay, students, we are going to watch a short video on line graphs. Hope you guys enjoy. Hello, students. Today, you'll be able to hear me, but you won't be able to see me in the small webcam at the bottom right of your screen. Well, make sure you are always, I'm always on lookout. I have eyes behind my back, I say. Make sure you're on task, you're writing all the needed materials, and you're being a great scientist because I know all of us are great scientists. Once you follow along this video, make sure that you take critical notes. Make sure that you're showing 100% at all times. All right, awesome scientists. Let's begin. All right, students. First, I want to take at least 30 seconds and allow you to write this down in your notebook. I'll give you a minute now. I'm sorry, not a minute. Let's make this 30 seconds. 20. All right, begin.
Mom, what are you doing here?
I just came out to find some food. But what are you doing? Shouldn't you be home by now?
Mom, I'm practicing. There's a 50 meters race competition next month and I really want to do well.
I see.
Mom, I think I need to practice running faster.
Yes, Amber. Running will help you stay fit and healthy too.
But how will I know if I'm improving or not? My time for running 50 meters is different every day.
Oh, so do you record your time at the end of each run?
Yes, I do.
Okay, then you can show me your running times after a week and I will tell you how you can track your progress.
All right, Mom.
So, did you record the time you took to run 50 meters on every day of the week?
Yes, here they are.
Good. We can make a graph to record your running time throughout the week and see how well you did. A line graph would help.
Line graph? Is that another type of graph?
Yes. Line graphs are especially good if you want to track some data over a period of time.
Cool. Let's see the line graph then.
Here it is. On the left is a record of the time you took on each of the days.
Yes.
On of this record.